conditions that could be aggravated by this experience. Expectant mothers shouldn't ride, and all passengers must meet the minimum height requirement. Be sure to keep an eye on your smaller pups, and remember that you'll need to stow all bags and loose items while you ride. Any large items that won't fit at your feet should be left for the non-rider. Guests using wheelchairs was transferred to the attraction vehicle or the garage. Hey, I can listen. Now, you'll say it, boys.
Fine, but I'm not hosting this.
Okay. Everyone say my Sam. That's great. 25 bucks.
All right, shrimp.
What? No, 10 bucks.
You need to be paying me.
It's on sale, only 5 bucks.
You ain't got no money for me. I wouldn't pay for it.
Look, we came from Hollywood all this way from Palos Verdes in traffic. And the Electric Mayhem are over 2 hours late for their own concert.
Yeah. I mean, we cacti do have a 200-year lifespan, so maybe we're overreacting.
Yes, of course. We need to have the Electric Mayhem here. It's an Electric Mayhem concert. Has anyone checked with Scooter at the studio? Could you please get him on the phone to tell him? To tell him how great the concert is going with absolutely no issues whatsoever. That's right. Thanks a lot.
Oh, one more thing. Danny Trejo's here to see you.
Hey there. Hey, Danny. How's it going?
Great, Truman. I just wanted to thank you for the VIP pass. I love the Electric Mayhem. I can't wait for the show to start.
I can't wait for it to start either.
No, I mean, I really can't wait.
I hear you, Danny.
I hate waiting.
Okay, all right. No.
If I wait, and I wait, and the Electric Mayhem don't show up, I'm really gonna be mad.
You understand that?
No, I mean really mad.
Oh, you never want to make you mad, Trejo.
Love you guys.
Isn't he the sweetest man?
You guys gotta fill all those space for man. Okay, so we're on my friend right here.
Yeah. Side by side. Second line, if you can, shoot me slightly forward. I'm gonna need a third line as well back there whenever y'all are taking your pictures. You better make a side. Yeah, you gotta give it a little bit. Back here, y'all. Forward. Thank you so much. Gonna walk closer.
Conference studio, please standing all the way across the room. Please light a dark picture, no flash photography or video lighting, and please do not sit or stand on the camera.
Rock and roll! Hey, Penguin, how's that sound?
Electric Mayhem, we should really be heading to your concert. We're already very late.
Whoa, look at all the looky-loos.
Oh, hey, the VIP tour. Welcome, everyone.
What's happening?
People! Scooter? Wait, you have been at the studio this whole time?
Indeed. We've been rehearsing for the big show.
We're at the big show, and you were due on stage hours ago.
Hey, Scooter, why didn't you tell us we were late?
But Miss Piggy.
And that is how you stall a show. They couldn't get enough of one. I mean, who even needs the mayhem now?
You are a revelation. She was an unmitigated disaster.
Good grief, I don't know how much longer this crowd's gonna wait.
Don't worry, Kermit, the mayhem will be there.
Good.
Though I have no idea how. Dr. Honeydew?
Oh, excuse us. Peter and I were just testing the latest innovation from Muppet Labs, the lengthy immediate motion object.
A limo.
It's pronounced limo.
Hey, how fast can I get the band here?
Factoring in the current traffic conditions.
You got a minute and a half. Okay, you should get going.
What about all of them?
How we feel about that?
All right, how about backstage passes for everyone? You two, get moving.
Come on, gang. We got places to be and people to rock.
Alrighty, VIP, please head all the way down the alley to the Muppets lab. On another lab, we need to get you VIP studio content ASAP.
All right, VIP, head to the back alley to load up. Enjoy the show.
Okay, we're off to the concert.
See you later. Have fun. Rock on.
All the way from the
Oh yeah!
You don't stop. This is just stop. Instead of stopping in the middle. Box, and here comes the box. And if you look, there you go.
stuck. Now they know how we feel.